Can certain foods detox and repair your kidneys? How can you detox and repair your kidneys through the power of food? Our kidneys play a vital role in filtering out waste and toxins from our bodies, so it's essential to keep them healthy. We'll explore some amazing foods that can help you with the kidney detoxification and repair. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our health and wellness content. Let's get started. Welcome to the Kidney Zone. I'm Dr. Mo. Before we begin, please remember that this video is for informational purpose only. If you have any concerns about your kidneys and their health, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional. First, let's quickly understand why kidney health is so important. Kidneys are like your body's natural filtration system. It removes waste and excess fluids from your body, and when they're not functioning optimally, it can lead to various health problems. Now let's talk about the foods that can help detoxify your kidneys and promote their health. Hydration. First and foremost, proper hydration is essential. Drinking an adequate amount of water daily ensures that your kidneys can effectively remove waste from your bloodstream. Cranberries. Cranberries are a standout choice for kidney health. They contain compounds that prevent harmful bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract walls and reducing the risk of urinary tract infections. Additionally, they may help prevent formation of kidney stones. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients support kidney function and help in the detoxification process of the kidney. They also aid in reducing inflammation, which is a common issue that can affect the kidney health. Berries. Berries such as blueberries and strawberries are not only delicious, but they're very beneficial because they are rich in antioxidants which can combat oxidative stress and inflammation, protecting your kidneys from damage. Garlic. Garlic has been long recognized for its detoxification properties. It can help improve kidney function by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in these vital organs. Now that we have covered foods for detoxification, let's shift our focus to those that can aid in the repair and maintenance of your kidneys. Foods such as apples, which are fantastic choice for kidney health. They contain dietary fiber and antioxidants, which can contribute to the overall well-being, and the fiber can also help in regulating the blood sugar levels, which is very important consideration for the kidney health. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and trout are all rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are anti-inflammatory and they have these properties which can reduce the inflammation in the kidneys and support their repair. Turmeric. Turmeric is a golden spice. It has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It has general attention for its potential to protect and repair the kidney cells. Incorporating turmeric into your diet can have positive effects into your kidney health and overall kidney well-being. Also, red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are a kidney-friendly vegetable due to their low potassium content, and they also have abundant amounts of vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin B6. All these vitamins play an essential role in kidney health. So, there you have it, a list of foods that can help detoxify and repair your kidneys. Remember, maintaining kidney health is of utmost importance and its diet plays a significant role in achieving this goal. By incorporating these kidney-friendly foods into your daily meals, you can promote detoxification and repair of these vital organs. However, it's essential to remember that a well-rounded, balanced diet is the key to overall health. And also remember that consulting a healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes, that's very, very advisable. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who may benefit from this important information. As always, take care of your kidneys, prioritize your health, and we'll see you in the next episode of The Kidney Zone.